welcome to another video in the United States. Basically, just went out from home, going to work, and I'm here walking in Kosciuszko Street. Great avenue, great neighborhood, great people living here. Beautiful morning, it's not raining anymore. And the first day getting my camera, it's not raining. I mean, what a morning, oh, beautiful. I wouldn't expect more, but yeah, let's go to work.
8 hours later.
Hey,
What are you doing?
filming you. So
I look
here's
weird, okay?
no, you don't. So here's somewhere in Times Square.
Actually, we are not in Times Square yet. We are only in time. We need time to.
No, I'm saying we're in Times Squares because there's so many.
There's so many squares.
Okay.
The Fantastic
Go
Beast.
this way. Why we're standing?
Okay, here we go in. So, we are in this New York streets filming.
Discovering New York Street as now it's our first day in New York.
Our very first day in New York.
We haven't seen the Times Square yet. We haven't seen anything yet.
We never went to any place. So that's our first day in New York. We came from the airport to
Here.
Manhattan. Directly, like, and there is Aladdin here, so there's a lot of scenes and stuff. One thing for sure is that this place is amazing. It will be an amazing experience.
No.
I mean,
No.
look,
I
we
want.
missed an opportunity because of her.
Oh.
Yes, and I got you on camera, 4K. I got you on 4K. We missed an opportunity
You can go alone.
to make.
I will wait for you outside.
Yeah, well, time is money, and actually, to be honest, we are so rich to go to that place.
We're so what?
We are so rich to go to that place.
Yes.
We
have so much money to the point we are now walking,
والله ما يخالف.
discovering where to spend them.
Yeah. هم يحبون الدولارات وانا احب البضاعة. هلا والله. So another thing, is that in this beautiful area, we are still discovering the camera, the GoPro 11, right? So this is the first or the second video I've done with it, and I'm like, if it turns to be good, that's good. If it turns to be bad, that's good.
No,
Both ways.
No, we have to go straight.
You think what?
I think we're walking the wrong way.
Of course we are. We need to go this way.
Yes.
This camera.
I'm trying to think.
And you know,
we're going the wrong way.
and the one thing for sure is this girl will gonna drive me crazy, because when I'm not looking at my phone, searching for our way, she always gets us lost. She always makes the right with left and left with right. I told you always, when you feel something right, know that it's wrong.
Oh.
No, let's run. So, see you in
When we arrive.
the...
Sorry.
Yeah, you're welcome. I said that you're welcome. Look, we are not rude, we are just Moroccan and Palestinian girls. That's the Arabic humor. So basically, the camera is filming the phone, filming the camera. Yep, so here we are, Times Square, nights. I know this footage might not be the best, but this is what we get from wide angle and nice mode things.
Can I ask another favor?
No, no.
I want to be here now, like here. Okay. I want to be here, like so close, but I'm looking at Times Square, so it's gonna be like. Sorry.
Go, 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 go.
Like this.
Ooh, damn, damn. Thank God they changed it to portrait. Only if we could tell you how fascinating this place is. And this person cannot put the phone down out of. So we want to make memories, right? That's why I bought a camera. That's why she's taking pictures and videos. And she's still.
No, I love this one.
So the thing is that no matter how expensive, no matter how much like we go to Manhattan, hang out every day, it's been a month and we're still doing the same thing. Like literally, and it's never enough. It's almost like always like the first time.
Yes.
It's good to be with a good company.
That asked for so many pictures.
Yeah. I meant good company. By good company is me. So it's good to have me. Yeah. It's good to have a good company.
And he's a good person. 1,000 pictures, that is too very good.
Yes, and if you want to reach the station of your house, believe me, you will go back to your country if you follow this girl. Like literally, she messed up between the right and the left. And you will see a lot of footages doing the same thing, you know. I have you on 4K, no worries. So yes, welcome to last thing to say before we are here. Cameras, everybody's excusing everybody. Let's discover something. Amazing. These things won't be seen anywhere. You won't see them anywhere but in here, Times Square, New York, United States. Here we got videos for our next reel. Remember guys, it's picked about Project 30, so we are hitting some really good things. Yes, and here we go with our GoPro. Basically tomorrow, Friday, we're gonna go out and we're gonna film some really good videos. Geesh, let's go. So here we are in Krispy Kreme donuts place. They have everything. Basically we're in Times Square and we had some really fun time there. It's crazy how these days is going. I mean, it's 7:40 p.m. and I swear I feel like I was outside all day, because literally I was outside all day. You know, I went to work, but I went out from work at 5:30, so we got some time. The weather is really super nice and we're going out to grab some donuts. See you next. our donuts that we're gonna enjoy. And here we are. We are with our original donuts. Now you can see yourself. It's good.
It's so sweet.
It's super good. So it's like a factory here. You can see it like getting made. So that's good. Wanna go to Starbucks? Why not?
If there's a survey, I'd go.
Here I am, so tired. Different from when I went out from home. It's really tiring. We're heading back home. See you in another day.